Hey guys, it's TLD day 24, so get your math out for TLD day 24. Make sure you got your number line too, and you also need that little ruler, okay? So make sure you've got that as well. All right, so make sure it says day 24, lesson 67, okay? I'm going to say a math problem. You're going to write the answer, so we're ready for A. Ready? 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2. Write it right here. 40 plus 2, 42. I'll change the color, okay? All right, B. Ready? 56 plus 0. 56 plus 0. Ready? 56 plus 0. 56. All right. C. I'm going to say this one the way we're not used to. 1 plus 49. 1 plus 49. Now just think. 49 plus one more. So 49, 49, 49, 50. Right? Now I'm doing this one backwards too. Ready? 2 plus 70. 2 plus 70. Think about it. 2 plus 70. Now, if you're having a hard time, I'm going to flip it for you. Ready? 70 plus 2. 70 plus 2. Did you get 72? All right. And the last one. Ready? 86 plus 1. 86 plus 1. 86, 87. Okay? All right. Now here's part 2. Part 2 looks like it's all minus problems. Use your number line. Do that. Okay? You can stop the video and do that, or you can just keep going and come back to the end. All right? All right. I'm going to move my paper, and I want you to get ready. Everybody ready for part 3? I wonder if it's our bug problems. Let's look. All right, it says some of these problems are -1 and some are -2. Remember, when you -1, you end up with one number that's one less than the number you start with. When you -2, you end up with the number that's 2 less than the number you start with. Okay, I'm going to say the problem, and I want you to write it down. Okay? Ready? 7 minus 2 equals. 7 minus 2 equals. Ready? 7 minus 2 equals. Okay, get the answer on your number line. Did you get 5? I hope so. All right, let's go down here to B. Ready? 7 minus 1 equals. 7 minus 1 equals. Ready? 7 minus 1 equals. Get an answer using your number line. Did you get 6? All right, ready? Let's go up here to C. Ready? 9 minus 1 equals. 9 minus 1 big long rows. You remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's 10. Do you want to count all of those? I don't. Since we know that's a row of 10, that's 10. So look, do we have another row of 10? Yeah, right here, don't we? So that's a row of 10. Is that a row of 10? Nope. So let's count. Ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Can you write 24? 24. Okay, now let's look. Let's circle the rows of 10. Here's a row 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 of 10. So that one's 10, 10, 10, 10. Is that a row of 10? No. So let's count. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. How do you write 45? Right, 45. All right, let's go over here. Let's circle the rows of 10. I see this is a row of 10. Here's a row of 10. And here's a row of 10. Is that a row of 10? Nope. Let's count. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Can you write 37 in the box? 37. Okay? All right, go over here. Let's count them. Here's a row of 10. Here's a row of 10. Is that a row of 10? Nope. So let's count. Ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. How do you write 28? 28. All right. If you didn't do the top, you can stop and do that now, or get your measurement paper out, get your ruler. Okay, you need your ruler, and we're going to measure our lines. All right. Okay. All right, guys, so look at this page, and it says measuring an object twice. Now, you've already measured in inches, and if you look on your ruler, the inches side is in yellow. It's the light side. Mine's yellow, but yours is the lighter side. But then you also have to measure it in centimeters. That's the darker side on yours. I just copied it. It's the purple on mine. Okay, do you notice how big the inch is? And then the centimeter is much smaller. So if you think, an inch is about this much of your thumb, okay? And a centimeter is about as wide as your pinky finger, okay? So a centimeter is much smaller than an inch, okay? But we're going to measure it in inches, then we're going to flip our ruler over and measure in centimeters. Now, the big thing you have to remember is to line up that ruler, okay? Now, I got Miss Wilhoit, she came in and she's going to help me with this. She's going to show you how to line up that ruler, all right? So let's look. Look at this dark line right here. And well, it says we're going to measure in centimeters first. So that's the darker side of yours. Now look how Miss Wilhoit is lining up that ruler right there at the edge of that line, okay? And we're going to follow the line all the way to the end. Look where it stops. What number does it stop on? Say that number. 13. So it is 13 centimeters long. So we're going to write the number 13 in our blank, okay? Now you've got to flip your ruler over to the inch side, which is the lighter side on yours, and line it up, okay? Now watch how she lines that up. She'll see how it's lined up right there at the edge, all right? Here's the 0, and we're going to go all the way to the end of the line. Now, how long is that line? Right there, what's that number? 5 inches. So, we're going to write the number 5 in our blank, okay? So, 5 inches. So, it was 13 centimeters because centimeters are smaller than inches, and it was 5 inches long, okay? All right, let's go down to this line. Watch, make sure you're on the centimeter side. It's the darker side, okay? So, Miss Wilhoit's going to line that up for me. Make sure you got it all lined up. All right. Now, here's where it starts. Oh, goodness. Now, tricky, tricky. Look, follow it over. Now, look. It ends a little bit after that 10, doesn't it? But is it close to the 11? No, it's closer to the 10. So we're going to say that line is 10 centimeters long. So write 10 on the line next to centimeters. Put a 10 there. Now we're going to flip our ruler over and we're going to measure it in inches. Okay? Look how she's got that lined up. And we're going to go all the way across. Oh, they did it to us again. Did it land exactly on the 4? No. But what's it closer to, that 4 or that 5? It's definitely closer to that 4, isn't it? So this line is going to be 4 inches long. So let's put 4 on our line. Okay, make sure you have those 2 because I'm getting ready to erase and move it up, okay? Got those 2? All right, let's go to the next one. All right, here's this longer one, just above the little girl's head, okay? All right, so we got to start in centimeters. That's the darker side of your ruler. All right, so line that up. Look at that. It starts right here, and it ends right here. Now look. Do you see how that's closer to that 15? So we're going to say this line is 15 centimeters long. Okay, so let's put a 15 in the blank. Now we're going to flip our ruler over and do it in inches. Okay, look how we've got that lined up. Oh, that one looks pretty good. Look, I lined it up here, go all the way down, and it's pretty much exactly on that 6, isn't it? So this line is 6 inches long. Now, are you lining up your ruler correctly, guys? I hope you are. All right, we got 2 more lines to measure, guys. Ready? Let's do this one right here. We're going to do centimeters. That's the darker side of your ruler, okay? Again, line it up here, and it right here, and it's right here. Now, what's it closer to? Look, I think it looks like it's closer to the 8. What do you guys think? I think so. So it's going to be 8 centimeters long. Ready? So put an 8 in your blank. All right, flip it over to the lighter side, the inch side. Okay, make sure you got it lined up here. Go all the way across. How many inches long is our line? Right, 3. I hope you're putting your ruler down there, guys. Okay? All right. Now, this last one. Line it up there on the end. Make sure you're on the centimeter side. That's the darker side of your ruler, okay? Remember, the centimeters are just smaller. The lines are closer together. And look how it's lined up there at the end. And we're going to go all the way to the end of that line. How many centimeters is that? Yeah, 10. 10 centimeters. All right, now flip your ruler over one more time. On the lighter side, remember the inches are wider. Okay, line it up there at the end. Follow it all the way down. Look where your line is. Right close, it's closer to that 4 than that 5, isn't it? So we're going to say it is 4 inches long. Okay. All right. Should have pretty much all of your math done. Hang tight. We're going to look at our Titan Learning Day 24, our science and social studies. Okay. So yeah. Let's look and see what we've got to do for, I think it's probably science today. So down here at the bottom, it says TLD Day 24. Choose one of the following. Okay, go back to one of the Brain Pop videos. So guys, you can choose one of the Brain Pop videos that we watched. And all you have to do is watch it. That's it, okay? Or go back and read one of the articles from the past 3 days, okay? That's all you have to do, okay? Just have mom or dad initial that you did it, okay? Nothing to write down today. All right, guys, take care. Bye.